Hello everyone. Today we're working on the Suzuki and we're going to be replacing the Evap Purge control valve right here. This is a 2-pin electrical connection that powers the solenoid, and this is the rear hose, and this is the front hose. Both hoses are push-type connectors. You press down on the tab here while pulling back on the hose. When you reinstall the hose, it should click into place. The front hose connects to the evap canister at one end and the throttle body at the other. The rear hose is longer and extends across the back of the engine. Okay, that's all there is to changing an evap purge valve solenoid on a Suzuki Forenza. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.